Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly troubleshoot your lawnmower. The first thing that you should do, now there could be a lot of things that are wrong with your lawnmower. You may have to replace a spark plug, you may have issue with oil, the carburetor may be gunked up. But there's something that you can do that will first get you to see if your lawnmower will just jump start. A lot of times your gasoline will sit inside of your lawnmower and start to go bad, so it might technically still work. Your lawnmower may just need a jump start. So the way I go about this is, let me show you the lawnmower here. So here I have my lawnmower. It's a Craftsman with a Briggs Stratton engine. I pulled this out after a while to see if it would start so I can mow my lawn, and it wouldn't start. So the first thing that I did is come check this side panel out here. So here I have my gas. Here I've got the side panel. I'm just going to take off really quickly. You see I just popped that right off. And if I look right in there, I have this. I'm going to remove that. And you'll see here, this is ultimately where the gasoline is going to go through to hit the carburetor behind this little panel here. So behind this panel here is where the gasoline will ultimately get into the carburetor. Now, sometimes the problem is there's the carburetor is gunked up. So what you can do is, I don't know if, let me see if I can zoom in here. See this little panel here? There's a little opening right behind there. What you can do is you can take Carb Cleaner and then spray it right in there, and it'll start right up. So let me show you that. Hang on a sec while I pop off the top. I have the straw there, but I'm just going to show for sample purposes. I'm going to spray it just like that. You can see there's the opening right there. Spray it right in there. It also helps too if you pull the throttle. You can do that either from down here, usually just right at the top. Just open it up, get this right back on there, cover this back up. I'm a one-man show here, so sorry about the camera work. And then, give this another go. There we go, nice and snapped. All right, now this is gonna get a little shaky because I'm holding it with one hand. I'm just gonna open up the throttle a bit, hold it. I'm just gonna pull this, and you'll see. Hang on a second, it's a little difficult to hold with one hand, so let's try it this way. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down. Hang on a sec. Now you probably noticed that when it first kicked on, it wouldn't kick on right away. It did have a little bit of a trouble, and that's because the gas is not great, maybe starting to turn and not be usable anymore. But for our purposes in the lawnmower, it'll still work if we put some Carb Cleaner in there, and it'll start right up. Use the gasoline to continue to mow the lawn, and then until you finish up the gasoline and put new gasoline in there, you'll be in good shape using the Carb Cleaner. Hope this is helpful. Be sure to drop a like if it was. Thanks.